चैनल। नमस्ते, कैसे हो? कमेंट में बताइए। हम लोग जा रहे हैं लॉन्ग ड्राइव में। देखो आज का मौसम।
Can't wait for my birthday.
Fun. Exciting.
कैसे हो सब लोग बताइए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।
This big backyard.
Look at the solar rhythm. Parking lot.
That's why people are going Dad, can I go to your team with Evan?
Oh,
Look at the house. Look at the Minnesota house.
I can't wait for my birthday.
you excited?
My birthday, my birthday.
3
I
days
listen to
I'm
music.
gonna have presents.
It's all one day.
I'm going there.
Just pause it, stop it, and then do this one better.
I need long video.
Dad, 3 days I'm gonna have presents.
Huh?
I don't have any long. I
What's
just
that,
have
buddy?
all.
3 days I'm gonna have presents.
That's what the
Friday,
birthday doesn't.
Saturday, and Sunday.
Why these lights take forever? This light listening.
Make sure you're
Okay
asleep.
guys, देखो ये
Huh?
road very scary है.
Make sure you're asleep.
Scary road. Oh, Adam.
This is a
Scary
narrow
road.
Yeah.
Super
But if
skinny.
you look back at some of these houses, they got lots of nice properties too. Nice homes up here.
Beautiful
Just wouldn't
house.
want to live on the street.
How is this?
that'd be
Busy. assassin is like if you
Don't
kill.
they have like kunais and katanas?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Nice homes up there.
Where the uncle home?
Where's the
I can shoot the city. How high? It's too many trees. You can see them.
So what is this place called again?
Brigantine.
Brigantine? Oh yeah.
Nice seafood.
You want to go in there, Jen? Jen?
Yeah. Remember last time Gigi came here?
They
Yeah.
have really good salmon fish.
Yeah, I got some good fish.
Oh, what happened there?
Oh, you're on the wrong side. It's no on Trump rape.
Way
Oh, look,
down.
Trump supporters. That side. And then couple old people. Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
They're protesting and They're protesting and counter-protesting. Trump supporter. Ice.
And
moderate.
other side, who's
Oh,
that?
maybe it's all. I think it's all. What do you call it?
Trash.
Protesters. But there's only like 10 of them. That's funny.
Yeah. After work, people join with them.
There's literally backwards American
It's like-
flag.
Yeah, there's like 10 protesters. Guess it
Why
couldn't
is
move
it
straight.
Not my president.
Hmm?
Hate will not make us great. And a bunch of other stuff. Backwards American flag. Now, what's up with the backwards American flags?
They do that as a sign of like resistance or protest. When they put it upside down or they put it backwards, it's kind of like.
This might be the weirdest day I've ever seen.
What's this like?
This month.
What happened? Chalo. You mean not gonna make you green light, Adam? Okay, almost done.
Trying to take a left.
Do just have a green light, Adam.
The other side had it.
Now
Why
we
did the guy just stop right there? Oh, there's car coming.
Oh,
oh Adam,
what was that?
train. This train come. What
It felt
happened?
like the car was like.
Train came. The trolley.
Trolley's up here.
What sound is
I
from?
don't know.
Finally, not a narrow road.
I think it's trolley. They're loud.
It's taking forever.
I think they're far. They just do the here. Trolley. Trolley.
What happened here? We all done here? Fries and
Eat it.
guys want to stop and get some ice cream?
Honey, just fresh.
You want to try Brewster's ice cream? Mom and Daddy saw an ice cream shop.
Drive-through.
Drive-through ice cream shop.
What are you doing?
Try it out.
What are the flavors?
I don't know. Let's go check it out. I've never been there.
Fresh?
They have terrible flavors.
They have a vanilla. The fresh ice cream. Real ice cream.
All vanilla.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna see. Check it out.
They have
Did
real.
you finish your fries?
This is blue raspberry. I'm getting
No, they have a
blue
sandwich
raspberry is my favorite.
taco.
Nice.
Oh, ito tinatry. Ito Dylan. Here, Adam. Grab it.
What's in it?
Treasure.
You gonna finish this taco or what? Or finish that sandwich?
Hello, bro.
Alright, video done.